Miss Leona, what's all over your table?
Oh, you got me. Today's letter is the letter P. P. The sound is P. The action is like blowing out a candle. P. 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 The sound I'm looking for today is the sound of P. P. I was busy eating some popcorn out of my Paw Patrol pail. I wonder if that starts with P. I have other things on my table. Let's have a look and see what begins with P today. Perhaps I'll put some perfume on so I smell pretty in my purple shirt and my poppy flower. Maybe I'll eat a peanut butter sandwich and I'll drink some water. Does this belong on my table? Maybe later I'll take a piece of pizza for a snack. Let's see. I will brush my hair with a brush. I may see a pony outside my window. Pony. I may eat some potato chips. I may have some pasta for supper. And I may cook it in my pot or my pan. What other things? If I get sticky, I'll use some Pam spray. I may want to eat a chocolate bar. Chocolate bar. I may get hungry and eat a potato. I may write a letter with my purple pen, or even my pen. If my stuff breaks, I'll use some glue. Glue. I hope I don't get caught outside of quarantine by the policeman. And after I wash my hands for 20 seconds with soap and water, I may put on some hand cream. I wonder how many pot things were on my table. How much to think about it? Let's have a look at the cards. Pear. Penguin. What's the beginning sound? Pen. And we may want to go on a picnic. We have a lot of things today, don't we, on our table? The sound is P. The action is P. P. Okay? We're going to quickly write the letter P on my board. Now, before I write this letter, remind me, where do I start, guys? No, I don't start at the bottom. Good guess. Where do I start? I start my letters from the One more time, I can't hear you. That's right, from the top. I'm going to start my letter here. The letter is P. I'm going to go down. And then I'm going to come back up and I'm going to go around. Uppercase P. P. Lowercase p starts down here. And this is this is kind of funny. Here we go. I'm going to go down, down, and this just like uppercase P. But lowercase p is one of the letters that is a hanging letter. So Miss Leon is going to draw an invisible line here. P is a hanging letter. P, P. Uppercase P, lowercase p. Did you see all the P things on my table today? Thank you guys. I hope you come back next time and you learn a new letter with me. What's today's letter? P. The sound, P. The action, P. The beginning sound. Thank you guys. Have a great day. Thank you for coming. See you later.